Oh. This is the elevator. This is the brand new elevator at the brand new in the convention center or conference center at the Embassy Suites Hotel in LaVista, Nebraska. This is a KONE with KSS 500 features. So here we go. This was also installed in 2008 as well. So here we go. It's also mom space as well too. Yep. This is not an EcoDisc, but this is a hydraulic elevator. It's good too. Here we go. Yep, L3 is hydraulic. Here are two. Go right on to one. This is just like the main elevators. Features, KSS 500, phone, KONE, and there it goes, and there it goes. That's it.